Watering plants in summer is crucial, especially in pots, because a plant in a pot can't go and search for water itself. All its roots are contained within the pot. So watering and feeding is a really important thing to learn to do properly. Don't wave the water like this on your foliage, because that will only increase fungal issues. What you want to do is water deeply into the pot for quite a while to ensure everywhere gets watered well, and then just do that several times a week, not every day. You want the whole thing to get really well watered and then allow to dry out a little bit. All plants really hate having wet root systems all the time. You don't want your saucer to be full of water all week. There can be a little bit in there for the plant to draw from, but you don't want the roots sitting in water constantly. Saucers are great for when you go on holiday. You can fill them up and treat your plants for a short period, but you don't want your plants sitting in water. So the crucial thing is, remember to water really well. Every area of the plant gets water, a bit longer than this of course, and then wait for the pot to dry a little bit before you re-water. Don't spray like this. If you find your plants aren't taking up the water, it could be because they're really congested in there. So you can add saturate into the surface of the soil, scruff it in, and then you'll find that the water goes right into the root zone. Saturate is really important for pots.